students. Today we are going to discuss about 6th standard social science second term lesson 1 history part. The lesson topic is Vedic culture in North India and megalithic culture in South India. This is the topic. Today we are going to discuss. These are the important topics. Okay students, today we are going to see the first one is learning objectives, that is the origin and migration of Aryans into India. Then to identify the sources of study related to the Vedic age. Then to understand the evolution of political, economic and religious structures in Rig Vedic and later Vedic societies. And we have another points also to locate the religion inhabited by both early and later Vedic period peoples, to make the differences between early and later Vedic periods, and to understand the megalithic and Iron Age culture in Tamil Nadu. So these are the topics we are going to discuss today. Okay, let us move to the first Vedic age.
Vedic culture, polity and society. The Rig Vedic polity was kingship based. Kula, that means clan, was the basic unit of the society. It was under a head called Kulapati. Several families joined together to form a grama, that means village. Nowadays also we have lot of the villages. Okay, grama, that is village. Grama was headed by Gramani. A group of villages was called Vis, it means clan, and was headed by Vishyapati. Rajan was the head of the Jana tribe, and he was addressed as Janashya Goba, guardian of the people. There were several tribal kingdoms. Rashtra. During Rig Vedic period, Bharadas, Mathyas, Poras. The next topic is king. The main responsibility of the Rajan was to protect his tribe. His powers were limited by tribal assemblies, namely Vidata Sabha, Smriti and Jnana. Of these Vidata, the tribal assembly was the oldest. Sabha and Samiti. Sabha, a council of elders. Samiti, assembly of people. A king appointed a Purohit, that means chief priest, to assist him. In economic, political and military matters, the king was assisted by the Sene, army chief. Gramani was the leader of the village. When the Aryans moved eastward into Ganges, Yamuna, Doab region, the early settlements were replaced by territorial kingdoms. Hereditary kingship began to emerge in the monarchical form of government. The power of the king increased and he performed various rituals, and sacrifices to make his position strong. Social organization. The Vedic families was patriarchal. The fair complexioned Aryans distinguished themselves from dark complexioned non-Aryans, whom they call Dasyus and Dasas. Within the early Vedic society, there were three divisions. 3. The general public were called Vis. The warrior class was called Kshatriyas, and the priestly class was named Brahmanas. At a later stage, when the Aryans had to accommodate non-Aryan skilled workers in their social arrangement, a rigged fourfold Varna system was developed. Example, the priestly Brahmanas, the warrior Kshatriyas, the land owing Vaishyas, and the skilled workers Sudras. Thus, a graded social order emerged. Although the Vedic age is evidenced by good number of texts, it does not have adequate amount of material evidences. Next, status of woman. In Rig Vedic society, women relatively enjoyed some freedom. The wife was respected as the mistress of the household. She could perform rituals along with her husband in their house. Child marriage and sati were unknown. There was no bar on the remarriage of widows. Nevertheless, the women were denied right to inherit property from their parents. They played no role in public affairs. In the later Vedic period, the role of women in society, as well as their status, even within the family, declined. Women could no longer perform rituals in the family. The rules of marriage became much more complex and rigid. Polygamy became common. Widow remarriage was not encouraged. Education was denied to women. Intercaste marriages were spurned. The next topic, economic life. Economy in the Vedic period was sustained by a combination of pastoralism and agriculture. Though occupation of Rig Vedic Aryans was cattle rearing, there were carpenters, chariot makers, potters, smiths, weavers, and leather workers. Auruk colored pottery, OCP, Auruk colored pottery, was attributed to this period. Horses, cows, goats, sheep, ox, and dogs were domesticated. When Aryans permanently settled in Sindh and the Punjab regions, they began to practice agriculture. The staple crop was Yava, barley. There is no mention of wheat or cotton in the Rig Veda, though both were cultivated by the Indus people. 2 crops a year were raised. In the later Vedic period, the Aryans stamped elephants apart from cow. goat, sheep, and horse. In addition to craftsmen of early Vedic period, there were also jewelers, dyers, and smelters. Pottery of this period was painted grey ware culture. Thank you.